Well, say what y'all want, but hey, that black look a whole lot better on this song.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, mom told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell myself, sell anything, I need a stove now.
Yo, man, what up? I'm my king, queen, prince, and princess, man. It's your boy Court, aka YK Slayer. Back at y'all with another video, man. I know y'all see these boxes behind me, and you seen that thumbnail, man. So appreciate you for tapping into this video real early in the morning, man. I'm actually heading to work right now, but I just went on ahead and put the rims in my car because I'm gonna go ahead and get them put on when I get out, but I still gotta go back and get my tires though. So yeah, man, I got a little 2 trip, but it's cool. Go ahead and get that taken care of. So y'all know I had put up on Instagram, you know, should I go back 24s or should I go ahead and get some more factory tires? And factory tires one, man, here it go right here. So as y'all asked, man, I did deliver for y'all, man. So here they go. Go ahead, man. Get them put on. Y'all just stay tuned. It might be kind of dark, man. You know, it get dark early now. So y'all just stay tuned for that. And I ain't gonna lie, it's cold, man. It's like 20 degrees right now outside, but you know it'll warm up later on. So yeah, man. Just go ahead and give y'all a quick little update on it, man. Let y'all see what I got going on. So yeah, I do got the rims in the back seat. It's still boxed up. So I haven't even opened them yet. So I just went on ahead and put them in the car. I had them. They came in, actually. They came in fast. I ordered the rims, man. They came in like 2 days. Rims and tires came in like 2 days. So, yeah, man. After I seen that, y'all said go ahead and go factory. Went on ahead and order, man. So, I do be paying attention to y'all, so don't think I don't. But like I said, man, I'm going to go ahead. I just want to give y'all a quick update. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Man, boy, I ain't gonna count, boy. I'm gonna let y'all see it in the daytime though. No, it took all day for me to put it on, but man, it really didn't take long, man. Like I said, I had to work, but I'm gonna let y'all see it in the daytime, man. Daytime, and I know it needs washing, but the old black rim do look a whole lot better. Do look a whole lot better on it, man. And no other, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all ask for some more factory rim, man. I got y'all some more rim. So, y'all just let me know. Man, look at it. Can't count. I can't count, boy. Alright, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show it to y'all in the daytime, man, right now. Getting kind of late. Haven't too long, just got home from work. Got that glow black hair. So, man, yeah. Well, I say what y'all want, but hey, that black look a whole lot better on this song, a whole lot better on it. Yeah, man, I gotta go on and get the unwrapping it thing. That black is different. A little early in the morning, man. Like 5:30. We're going on 6 o'clock. That black look different, boy. I ain't gonna count. Tell me what y'all think, man. Drop them comments. Let me know how y'all feel. Y'all like these better or the other one better. I really can't count. Can't count, bro, but so y'all can see it. But these black ones do look a whole lot better. Whole lot better, man. Man, yeah. So let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all like these? This y'all like the other one? I think I made the right choice. Also, I go ahead and paint my brake covers. You see, I had started on them. I don't like them. They ain't dark enough, but I'll probably go with another color, repaint these. But yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know. One look kind of dark now, but it ain't dark as I want it. Probably go ahead and throw probably 5% on the front too. But so far, man, let me know what y'all think. How it looking to y'all? Yeah, man, raining. Go ahead. Get y'all a cold start though. Coming off. I got stopped about my lights too, bro. Long as I've been having these on, I finally got stopped about my lights. Talking about I can't have them because they too bright, but the police where I live at ain't stopped me. I got stopped somewhere else, so I'm really not worried about it. Until the police around here start and tell me that. One thing about that rap though, man, hold a lot of water on the top of it. I'm not too much worried about that, man. Ain't nobody ever stopped me, man. Long as I've had these lights. And you seen one of my videos, that's how long, when I first put them in, that's how long I've had them. And I ain't never got stopped for them, so. Maybe better was on some trippy stuff. I don't know, man. But, like I said, it's been a couple weeks ago. Seen police and everything, nobody ever stopped me sitting in, but it's cool, man. But tell me what y'all think about the tires, man. Do y'all like the tires? Y'all like new rims on them or what, man? Let me know. And let me know what y'all want to. One question. Should I put the stars in the roof or what, man? Let me know if y'all put the stars in the roof, man. That's what I'm really thinking about. I already did the underglow. I seen someone else said I should put the lights in my wheels. So should I get the wheel light or the star lights? Or should I get both? Drop it in the comment, man. Let me know what y'all want to see. As y'all can see now, man, I do listen to everybody comment, man. I try to go with the best one. So yeah, if you ain't following me on Instagram yet, cause I posted on Instagram, also posted on my YouTube post also. Follow my Instagram, man. Follow my Instagram. So stay tuned. Appreciate everybody who followed me on this journey, man. I know it's a short video, man, but I did want y'all to see the new rims and tires that I put on here, man. I like them. Look a whole lot better than the other tires. I've been wanting to change it for a minute, actually. But I ain't know if I want to go back 24s or what. So, man, I said, man, let me know how y'all feel about it, man. Till then, man, it's your boy Court, a.k.a. YK Slam.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chopper, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a stove now.